Tijana, you are not only a managing partner of the regional law firm of your own, but you are also a businesswoman, a startupper, and you are giving to the market Draftomat, which is a document automation software. So if you can just summarize first what it is about.
As the name says, it's a document automation software that we have developed internally, actually in a spin-off firm co-founded by myself and one of my partners from BDK Advokati. Our idea was to use document automation software not only for our internal processes when we prepare documents for the clients, but also to create some sort of online service for the clients to give them access into our library of documents through the software. We also use it very much as BDK for three practical purposes. One is to support our internal documentation. Second is to help us draft documents for the clients more quickly and to make sure that people within the teams are using approved models. And then third way of how we use that software is to give clients access to our library of documents and let them draft for themselves.
If, for example, somebody would like to do not off-the-shelf development like this, do you think nowadays it makes sense, or what kind of hurdles or risks you see in it, and would you recommend it to others as well?
Well, it works for us, so I have no reason not to recommend it to others. However, what you mentioned is really key. No software can help a law firm if the law firm doesn't do a really important and in-depth prep work. We have very rich library of models, but we always update those models. Whenever we see in a transaction or in a particular commercial situation that there is a clause which we didn't have in our model, but it's really great clause, we update our models. To set up a library, that's really a massive task. But on the other hand, a law firm that cares about this knowledge and know-how has to have it in order. Otherwise, software works according to the principle garbage in, garbage out.
You recommend to do this kind of library. Do you allocate to lawyers documents and quarterly or annual or transaction-based review?
We have a system where fee earners propose changes to the model and they get some non-billable work points for that, which then enter into their base for bonus. So we recognize that work as client work. I just want to close with one very important point now that there is this AI frenzy, which is well deserved because AI has great capabilities and even greater potential. Somehow there is this thinking that AI is going to help us draft documents without having good models to start with. This is not happening yet. So AI can be a good feature in a document automation software, and it can kind of speed up the automation part of the exercise, but you can't really currently, at least, you can't really use an AI tool and tell it, write me a good Serbian law-governed employment agreement. I mean, you are not going to get anything useful.
So we still need to remain diligent with our database.
Yeah.
Thank you so much that you shared how to make a meaningful database.